Hello, everyone. My name is GGardner. Social media is everywhere. It makes sense that it has found its way into libraries. This presentation will focus on Pinterest, specifically the use of Pinterest in a special academic library. Pinterest is a free social media site that operates like a virtual bulletin board. It allows users to collect, organize, categorize, and share images and video. It's based in San Francisco and was founded in 2010. 240 billion pins have been saved over the last 11 years, and Pinterest is growing. At the start of 2020, it had 320 million monthly active users. As of March of this year, it has 459 million active monthly users. 85% of pinners use a mobile app. While suburban women are still using the app, usage is increasing in young users. Pinterest has seen a 50% year-over-year increase for Gen Z users. Pinterest allows its users to save content. Users can upload their images, capture images from the internet, and repin images posted by others. Users can pin these items to topic-themed virtual bulletin boards. Users can also share. Pins are easily shared through an email or by following the creator. Discussions occur when pinners add descriptions and comments to their own pins, and when they comment on images pinned by others. These descriptions can be up to 500 words. Pinterest pulls keywords from these descriptions. Good descriptions increase findability and make it easier to discover relevant pins, boards, people, and organizations. Boards are public or they can be made private. Users can install a Pin It button, which allows others to pin an image or video to your page. Pinterest is a perfect tool for a special academic library. The Academy of Art University Library is located in downtown San Francisco. This library supports the school's art and design curriculum. There are 22 programs. Disciplines include fashion, fine art, graphic design, and photography. The library collection includes books, magazines, films, images, online images, and more. Pinterest is an excellent way for this special library to connect with its creative and visually oriented art and design students. Pinterest can be used in this library to provide information, promote library events, pin book covers for new acquisitions, highlight material from the collection, link to library resources, connect with faculty and students, and interact with students on collaborative boards such as Share What You Are Reading. While Pinterest is an excellent tool, there are some considerations. Copyright issues, which are always important but are especially concerned to libraries. Collaborative constraints. Collaborators need to be invited to join a board, which I'm sure has advantages, but it also takes extra effort. Overwhelming amount of content. This is what I like least about Pinterest. It's just too much for me. While Pinterest does have weaknesses, it does have more strengths. It's a free tool, it's easy to use, it's an excellent marketing method for libraries, it's accessible to students at any time of the day or night, it encourages browsing, it may increase use of library resources, it's inspirational and sparks creativity. That's my favorite part of Pinterest. As useful as Pinterest is, I wish that Pinterest had filters or made use of Boolean operators. When using this tool, it's important to consider best practices. Set goals, experiment, know your users, and use this knowledge to guide your creation of pins and also to modify your tone. Be consistent and develop relationships. As we have seen, Pinterest is a tool that, while not perfect, has plenty to offer a library. As I gathered information for this presentation, I noticed that of the most popular social media applications, Pinterest is the least used in libraries. I'm sure that libraries have their reasons. It may be because they are focusing on social media platforms that have more users, but as noted, Pinterest is growing. As a new user, I've been pleasantly surprised at the civility I have found on Pinterest. I'm not alone. Sprout Social, a social media analytics tool, notes that 91% of people believe Pinterest is a positive place. I like that, and I think that when libraries are considering an online presence, Pinterest may be a good place to start. Thank you for your time.